real vampire. Tavba qildim. Juda katta qiyinchilik bilan tirik vampirni topdim New Orleans shahrida. Eslatib o'taman, aynan mana shu shaharda butun Amerika bo'yicha eng katta vampirlar jamiyati mavjud. Bittagina savol berishga ruxsat berdi xolos. Ahol bilan so'rayman. Qaytarsizda ular tushunib yetgan, ular haqiqiy vampir ekanligini. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How did you realize that you were a vampire?
I realized I was a vampire like anybody realizes they are anything. You just feel it inside of you. You know what you are from the very time that you're born. I feel like that people already know what they are. Because of that, I always knew that I was a vampire.
Can you show your nails, please?
Yes.
That's like a real vampire. And wonderful eyes. So. How can our followers be a part of the vampire community of New Orleans?
You just have to come down and visit New Orleans itself. And if you're destined to be a vampire, or if you feel like you're a vampire, you'll find others like you.
Thank you. I will show the best. Hurmatli do'stlar, Misr TV kanalida va haqiqiy vampirlar bilan bo'ladigan intervyularda New Orleans shahrida ko'rishguncha